Alright, this is how I'm going to make stuffed bell peppers for dinner. What I have here, I have only 4 different of the colors of the bell peppers. I have 1 red, 1 orange, 1 yellow, and 1 green. I'm cutting the top off with the bell peppers and going to remove the stems. If the bell peppers couldn't stand, you can also carefully trim the bottom off of that. Then you can make sure you may notice about this bell peppers. It has the stems over here. I'm going to just retrim down. What I like to do, that way it's very easy to, now you want to take your spoon to scoop the seeds and the guts off of the bell peppers. And I don't want to throw the seeds away, we're going to replant it from the garden. The spoon is really easy to scoop the guts and the seeds. There's a little more seeds inside of those bell peppers. Just tap that one. And then we're going to boil it. That's going to stand square. We got the soup pot of the boiling water, and then we're just going to remove from the lid. And then we're going to go for some bell peppers that we already cut up together. You want to make sure to cook those bell peppers on high for 2 to 3 minutes. You're going to make it nice and soften. I'm going to use the tongs to push it down. While we're waiting for the rice is already to cook on here, and then you're going to drain off the excess water, and then we're going to finish the rest. This is what we prep here. Have the corn, got the sweet peas. I'm using for the frozen sweet peas. Got the pasta sauce over here, traditional pasta sauce from the jar, and my mom already finally chopped the sweet onions. I need for the 1 medium one, but I'm going to see how much it goes here. I already finely minced or pressed 2 cloves of garlic, and the rice will be on the way, and also the ground beef. But this is a plenty one. My mom just put in cornstarch. It prevents from, prevents for the blood. Oh yeah, also I measure for the 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and each of those 3/4 teaspoons of table salt and ground black pepper are going to taste one. And then we're going to wait to make it up for the stuffed bell peppers. I almost forgot about this one. This is the tomato paste. I measure about 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And don't forget to cover up some of the sliced American cheese. What I have here in a non-stick skillet, or you can also use a sauce pot, whatever you prefer. And we're going to put 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Oh, it's got a splatter on here. And don't forget, really quickly, 2 cloves of minced or pressed garlic. Let's put that on. And don't forget the sweet onions. And I'm going to see how much onion. That's about 1 medium. I want to make sure to saute. Not just the half. And we got the rice is almost ready to cook for it. I'm just going to make a hurry for that. Just want to make sure it's nice and fragrant. Once the onion is just translucent, you might be sure you can see about the garlic and the onion just a lightly brown put together. And then we add 1/2 pound of lean ground beef. So plenty of the ground beef. I'm just going to put 1 cup of that. I'm going to eyeball that. I'm just going to break it. Just want to make sure the ground beef get no longer pink. We got the ground beef just slightly brown, has no longer pink. And now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Let's pop it into it. And you want to keep going. We're going to make sure to stir it around. And then we're going to put it in the rice. And then we're going to put 4 cups that I already tenderly cooked long grain white rice. Just pop it in. I'm going to put 7-ounce can of that I already drained whole cooked corns. 8.5-ounce can of sweet peas. I'm using frozen sweet peas, baby sweet peas. Pump for those. Alright, don't forget to season with 3-4 teaspoons of table salt and ground black pepper according to taste, and then we're going to keep stir frying. Alright, once after cooked, I just already removed from the heat, and then you want to divide the filling into 4 of each portions, and then we're going to fill it into the bell peppers. And now it's time to stuff into the bell peppers. I'm going to use a spoon to stuff it in. I just already divided it into 4 of that, and then we're going to put it back into the pan. You see that? I'm just stuffing those bell peppers. I'm using a spoon to stuff all the way on that one after it just pre-cooked for that. Like I said, I'm putting it back to the prepare pan. Back into the prepare pan, after I just lined with aluminum foil, just overlap it, spray with cooking spray. Meanwhile, I haven't already preheated the oven for 350 degrees. Just want to make sure it's preheated. Just want to put the pasta sauce, that's about 1 cup of that. I'm just going to put it underneath of the bell peppers after I just stuff it into it. And then you want to cover it with remaining aluminum foil. Just very tightly to cover it. And now you want to bake it for 20 minutes until the bell peppers get be nice and toasty to roast. I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like. After just about 20 minutes for first, I took it out for the oven. Let's just remove from the foil. Oh man, those peppers got fell over. Let me just pick it up here. And then we're going to cut us 4 slices of American cheese on top of the bell peppers. And then we're going to return it back in the oven for 10 more minutes. The total will be 30 minutes. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks. And remember, make sure to wear oven mitt while the pan is still hot. There we go. After 10 more minutes for additional 30 minutes, that would be for total. And then I just took it out of the oven and then I just put it onto the stove top to keep it super hot immediately. And here you go. Our delicious stuffed bell peppers. Ready to serve and eat. If you have more recipes too, very interested, just write down in comments below. We'll always be for sharing. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell to see all of fish bar videos and latest video. Thank you very much for watching.